Here's an interesting app which is called CoinSnap Value Guide. Identify coins and their value. So this is a great app for becoming a numismat. And just if you're collecting coins, this is a nice app to check out. Maybe you're just collecting coins, so you just trying to trade them or something, and you have some coin from like 19th century and you have really no idea which coin is that. Like previously, of course, you can just Google, even before that, you can just use some numismatic books to identify that. But yeah, here you can just go and then use AI and track coins via the app. There are similar apps like plant identifier. There is another app called Vivino where you can identify wines. So here, you can just see a popular series, and then you can just tap identify my coin, snap tips. You can see that you need to place your coin in the center of the frame. The camera will automatically take a picture, too dark, too blurry, multi-coins. And then, so let's just try with €1 first. And then I'll try to turn the coin over. And then it will just scan it. Yeah, so you can see that this is Spain, €1 from 2007 to 2009. I can see on the coin that it's like 2007. So that's that. And then you can see the price of this coin is $80. So this is just like a reference, and then you can see reference images. It's like pretty cool. And then you can see all the specifications. You can see issue is issuer, denomination, weight, diameter, thickness, composition. And then you can just add it to collection. Collection details, and then just tap save. That's about it. It's pretty cool. Quickly identify any coin. Enjoy unlimited coin identifications. Get detailed information including year minted, country, value, and more. Organize a collection like never before. No annoying ads. That's that. Now let's try like a Danish coin. So here we have one. It's like a 20. So then you have some matches. So it's not 1 krona, it's 2 krona. But it's not Greenland. Why it's showing krona? Okay, so now you have this reference images. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Everything's pretty close. Issuer Denmark, 2 krona. Then you can see composition, diameter, designer, and then you can see price, and then you can add it to collection as well. So now I have 2 coins. So something like that, pretty cool. Then you have wishlist, you have history, you have settings here. You can clear cache if you want to not to collect so much storage on your device. Then you can have login, sign up. Here you can do that. So that's basically that. Premium status, you can also enable that. Upgrade. That's basically it. Grade my coin. It currently supports US coins. This feature serves to determine the grade of a coin. It doesn't verify the authenticity of the coin. Used just as a reference. So here you will be able to grade and use it for grading for more professional numismats. Then you can see collections, and that's it. So super easy to use app. You can see some popular coins here. You can see some coins which are here. So that's basically that. Yeah, I hope it is helpful. That's the overview, and thank you for watching.